Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the essential steps of how to create a financial plan. Whether you're trying to save for retirement, pay off debt, or simply manage your day-to-day expenses more effectively, having a solid financial plan is key. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step process that is easy to follow and implement in your life. So, let's get started. 1. Understanding financial planning. Before we jump into the actual steps of creating a financial plan, it's important to understand what financial planning is. A financial plan is essentially a roadmap for managing your money. It outlines your financial goals, helps you track your income and expenses, and ensures you are saving and investing for the future. It's not just about budgeting. A well-crafted financial plan can help you make important life decisions like buying a house, starting a business, or preparing for retirement. Now, let's move on to the steps involved in creating your own financial plan. 2. Set clear financial goals. The first step in creating a financial plan is to set clear, realistic financial goals. These goals will be your guide throughout the planning process. Short-term goals, these might include things like building an emergency fund or paying off a credit card. Medium-term goals, these could involve saving for a down payment on a home or starting a college fund. Long-term goals, these are typically more focused on retirement or building wealth for future generations. Be specific when setting your goals. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months. 3. Evaluate your current financial situation. Once your goals are set, the next step is to evaluate where you currently stand financially. This includes analyzing your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Create a list of all your income sources, like your salary, side business earnings, and any passive income. Then, list your expenses. This should include everything from rent or mortgage payments to groceries and entertainment. Don't forget about debts. Make sure to note down any outstanding loans, credit card balances, or student loans you need to repay. Once you've done this, you'll have a clearer picture of where your money is going and where improvements can be made. 4. Build a budget. With your financial situation evaluated, it's time to create a budget. A budget helps you manage your spending and ensures you're living within your means. Divide your expenses into fixed costs, like rent and utilities, and variable costs, like dining out or entertainment. Prioritize saving a portion of your income every month, even if it's just 5 to 10%. A common budgeting rule is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income should go to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, 20% to savings and debt repayment. Use budgeting apps if necessary, as they can simplify the process of tracking your expenses and staying on top of your goals. 5. Create an emergency fund. One of the most critical parts of any financial plan is having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time, whether it's medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Ideally, you should aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This money should be easily accessible, meaning it should be kept in a savings account, not invested in stocks or other volatile assets. 6. Manage and reduce debt. Debt can be a significant roadblock to achieving your financial goals. Whether you have student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, managing and reducing debt should be a top priority in your financial plan. There are several strategies for paying off debt, such as the debt avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first. The debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Choose the method that works best for you, and focus on making more than the minimum payments to accelerate the payoff process. 7. Start saving and investing. Once you've established an emergency fund and have a solid debt repayment plan in place, it's time to start thinking about saving and investing for your future. Short-term savings. This could include saving for vacations, weddings, or home renovations. Long-term savings. Consider opening retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching programs, if available. Investing is also key to building long-term wealth. If you're new to investing, consider working with a financial advisor or using robo-advisors that automate the process. You can also invest in low-cost index funds, which offer diversification and lower risk compared to individual stocks. 8. Protect yourself with insurance. Insurance is a crucial component of any financial plan. It protects you from unexpected financial losses that could set you back. Make sure you have adequate health, life, disability, and home insurance. If you have dependents, life insurance can provide for them in the event of your passing. Health insurance is vital to avoid catastrophic medical bills. It's better to be prepared than to face financial ruin due to unforeseen circumstances. 9. Review and adjust your financial plan regularly. Creating a financial plan is not a one-time task. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Major life events like marriage, the birth of a child, or buying a home can all impact your financial priorities. Set a schedule to review your financial plan at least once a year. Adjust your budget, savings goals, and investment strategies as necessary. This ensures that you stay on track and continue to work towards your financial goals. Creating a financial plan doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by setting clear goals, assessing your current financial situation, building a budget, and prioritizing savings. Make sure to manage your debt, invest in your future, and protect yourself with the right insurance. Finally, review and adjust your plan regularly to keep it in line with your changing life circumstances. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you won't miss more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.